guys, Steven Close here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at the AscentStep 5.5-inch running boards from ARIES. And with ARIES we have Brian. How you doing, Brian?
Very well. How are you, Steven?
I'm doing great. So Brian, in today's video we want to cover the product itself, of course, talk about the features and benefits here, how it's made, what it's made of, that type of thing. And then we'll get into the installation and talk about how easy or difficult this is to install in our application. Sure. Without further delay, give us the full rundown on the product itself.
Well, this is, as you said, a 5.5-inch steel running board. It does have seamlessly welded end caps. Okay. Real nice stylish feature.
Yes.
Does have a polyethylene tread base with a stainless steel overlay on that. Okay. Safety, functionality, and style all in one board.
Absolutely. And I will say this is one of the more stylish looking boards that I've seen on the market. A lot of manufacturers, which is still okay, are going for that really rugged, aggressive look, which is great sometimes. But sometimes you just want that nice, good looking, classy piece on your late model truck. So in that case, this is the perfect fit for that.
Absolutely.
Now I will say this is that steel bar, so with that carbide finish here, it's going to prevent any sort of corrosion. Always great.
Yes.
And the pads themselves are stainless steel, so they're not going to corrode anyway.
Right.
But that carbide is going to prevent any sort of scuffs and stuff.
Absolutely.
And last but not least, that polyethylene is going to give you, like Brian said, that solid, secure step every time, which is always a good feature. Now, Brian, with that kind of out of the way, talk about some of the installation aspects of the product.
Okay, with the installation, this does use a VersaTrack mounting bracket system.
Now, what does that mean for us?
That is a bracket system that does allow other ARIES products to be mounted to this bracket system. Yes. Okay. So if down the road one day the end user wants to swap it out for a different style board, he can do that without changing his brackets out.
And it's really good for commercial applications too. If
Absolutely.
You've got tons of trucks or one truck that goes through boards all the time, great way to handle that.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Now, is this a drill application, no drill?
Okay, so as far as the install, this is a no drill application. On a scale of a 1 to 10, I would give it a 3, with about an hour or so install time.
Well, that's great. Now, with that all out of the way, what about the warranty? Do you offer any type of warranty?
Yes, sir, we do offer a warranty. This does have a limited lifetime warranty on the board, on the bracket system. We do offer 3-year on the finish and 1 year on the parts.
Perfect.
Yes.
So guys, with that kind of said, we do think you can do this on your own as a 3 of 10 on the difficulty scale. But if you have any hesitations, problems, or you just don't want to do the install, which we totally understand, check the description below the video. We'll have a dealer locator there so you can find a dealer in your area who's more than happy to install these for you. All right, so that's a wrap on the ARIES AscentSteps. Now, before we go, Brian, thank you for coming in today.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
It's been a great pleasure. Now, guys at home, if you have any questions or comments, as always, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you just want more details about the product, check in the description. We'll have a part number there, and again, that dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer in your area. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.